Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing reorder favorites in Contacts app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if I open my Contacts app, you can see it's now opened, and if I tap on three vertical dots over here, you can see I have this pop-up opened, and on this pop-up I can't find reorder favorites option. So to fix it, just open your Contacts app and then tap on three vertical dots and then tap on view by storage location, and on this pop-up you have to select all contacts option. So to select it, just tap on it. Let me tap on it. Now all contacts are showing, and now if I tap on three vertical dots, you can see I have reorder favorites option showing. So it's now fixed. And to reorder your favorites, just go to reorder favorites and then reorder it as per your choice. Okay, after that just go back and it will be reordered. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.